If you previously stored your contacts on a SIM card, you may want to import them directly to your new iPhone 16. Here we will explain how to import SIM contacts to your iPhone. Part 1. How to import SIM contacts to iPhone. Step 1. Insert your previous SIM card containing your contacts into your iPhone, ensuring it fits properly. Step 2. Go to Settings, Contacts, Import SIM Contacts. If prompted, select where you want to import your SIM contacts. Step 3. Wait for the import process to finish. Step 4. Open the Contacts app to confirm that your contacts have been successfully imported. If necessary, you can replace the imported SIM card with your new one. Part 2. One click to transfer contacts from Android or iPhone to iPhone. If you want to transfer contacts from your iPhone or Android to your new iPhone 16 with one click, you can try this way. Step 1. Download and launch Coolmuster Mobile Transfer on your computer, then connect your two devices to the computer using USB cables. For Android devices, please enable USB debugging. For iOS devices, unlock it and tap Trust when asked. Step 2. After successfully connecting, you will see the connected interface as follows. Please ensure that the source device and destination device are on the correct sides. If they're not, please click the flip button to switch their positions. Step 3. Check the Contacts option in the middle panel, then click the Start Copy button to move contacts to iPhone.